Twin pregnancy is a high risk pregnancy.
So, doctor, can an expecting mom exercise during twin pregnancy?
Yes, definitely. She should. She should not be idle or she should not take a complete rest.
Twin pregnancy comes with double the joy, but also extra precautions to ensure a safe and healthy journey for both mom and babies. Welcome in today's episode, which will be covered with all the informative discussion an expecting mom of twins should know about. Joining us today, Dr. Manisha Munemane, an obstetrician and gynecologist at Cloud9 Hospital, Baner, Pune. So let's get started. Welcome, Dr. Manisha.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
Doctor, what extra precautions should one take during twin pregnancy?
Twin pregnancy is a high risk pregnancy. So that's what it's really important to be extra precautious as a mother, as a family. From our side also, we tell some extra precautions as say like diet. In diet, you have to take a right diet. That's more important. Try taking well balanced and healthy diet. Try eating every 2-hourly interval. Don't eat like how we routinely eat like a breakfast, lunch and dinner. So try eating every 2 to 3 hourly interval. At a time, take a small meals. Like don't take a full plate. Even if it is like you are taking a half a roti, it's fine. But then you can repeat it. In between, you can take some healthy snacks, take some fruits, some dry fruits. Try taking more of a food which is rich in iron, calcium and high protein diet along with the fiber diet.
Okay.
So you can take more of dal, sprouts, dry fruit, milk products. All these things should be included in the diet. Along with the diet, it is very important to take the adequate amount of the liquids. Try taking more of a water. Don't take liquids and the water early in the morning, but then try taking it in between once you are taking the small meals. Along with that, take some natural liquids like coconut water, lemon juice, buttermilk, which will help in keeping you hydrated, which will help in reducing the like cramps and dehydration also. So that is about the diet. Try taking the adequate sleep. You should sleep at least 7 to 8 hours at night. And in the daytime also taking 1 or 2 hours nap is always good in twin pregnancy.
So, is the weight gain different in a twin pregnancy?
Yes, definitely, because there are 2 babies. So it is going to be definitely more weight gain. So expected weight gain is somewhere between 15 to 20 kgs of weight gain.
Okay. So, does an expecting mom needs more prenatal vitamins during twin pregnancy?
Yes, if she is taking a balanced and right diet, then we give more of iron, calcium and folic acid. As I said, like it should be taken for whole of the 9 months of the pregnancy. It is always better because there will be more need because there are 2 babies. So it is always better to give it.
Okay. So, doctor, what are the signs of preterm labor in twin pregnancy?
In twin pregnancy, the signs of preterm labor can be, there can be abdominal cramps, there can be pain in the lower abdomen. Sometimes there can be backache also and the discomfort. These are the common symptoms of the preterm labor. You have to identify your warning signs so that like if you are getting any of these symptoms, you can always report your doctor and go to the hospital immediately. That always works because if you come in the right time, there is a time for us to start some medicine, some injections. We can give some steroids to increase the maturity of the baby's lungs. And we can stop the labor also, even if you are going into the preterm labor and the delivery process can be postponed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, doctor, the most asked question is C-section common in twin pregnancy?
Not like that. See, C-section in twin pregnancy is decided on the position of the babies. And along with that, if there is any associated complications or associated any medical illness which has happened because of the twin pregnancy, say like, if there is a gestational hypertension, if there is a gestational diabetes, then that will increase the chances of the C-section. But if everything is fine, mother is stable, medically she is fine, then like, if both the babies are in the vertex position or if your baby's heads are down, then we can always go for a normal delivery also.
So, doctor, can an expecting mom exercise during twin pregnancy?
Yes, definitely. She should. She should not be idle or she should not take a complete rest because it is very important if you are active. See, definitely not a too much of activity or not too much of exercise, but then she should be active. It's not required to stay in the bed. You can go for a morning, evening walk. Try doing some amount of yoga. Try doing some amount of meditation, which will help you like, feeling better. Your muscles will be relaxed and you will be more comfortable. So it is always better to be active, but not stretching too much and not making too much of an exercise also. So you should keep a balance about it.
So, doctor, lastly, are complications more common in twin pregnancy?
Yes, definitely. Because as we said, it's a high risk pregnancy. So there are more chances of the complications, but then we can always manage them. There can be like, having more incidence of anemia, gestational hypertension, gestational diabetes, and the chances of the preterm labor is on the higher side because our uterus is capable of carrying only one baby and when there is additional second baby, then it is going to have some complications. Throughout the pregnancy, there can be, like, in the first trimester, there will be more chances of having vomiting, nausea, acidity. These will be on the higher risk. There will be more chances of having the constipation. But that we discussed, like, we can manage it with the diet. So that should not be much of the problem. In the second trimester, early second trimester, at 15 weeks, check by doing the ultrasound, that is a transvaginal sonography, as a cervical insufficiency. If there is any cervical insufficiency which is seen, we can put one stitch at the cervix, which is not the painful procedure, which is just done under the complete anesthesia. And then that can hold your baby through the 36-37 weeks. We can start giving some kind of a tocolytic medicine so that will postpone the preterm labor and which will avoid getting the early uterus contractions. We can start with some hydroxyprogesterone injections till 32 weeks, which will ensure that your baby is doing, like, going ahead till 36 weeks. So these all things we can always manage. So what is more important is choosing a right doctor, choosing a right hospital, have a antenatal regular visits, take care of yourself, and like with your family, we together can have a successful twin pregnancy, so that your experience as a delivery and as a throughout the pregnancy will be very joyful, and we will have a healthy mother and healthy babies.
Thank you, Dr. Manisha, for such an informative discussion.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And to our listeners, if you found this episode informative and helpful, do share it with others and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Until then, take care and stay healthy.